Hello children. Today I will start in G Science chapter 6, Plants in the Surrounding. Plants make our world beautiful. They keep the air fresh and clean. So children, can you see what the child is doing? He is helping his friend to grow. He feels that all plants are friend. They provide us with so many things without asking anything from us. Well, the child was water the plant so that the seed sprout and the stem grows. So today we will learn about plants. Okay? So plants are all around us. They make our environment green. Like our body, plant body also has many parts. Our body has many parts. So plant body has also many parts. A plant body is mainly divided into two parts. What are that? The root and the shoots. So today we will read about parts of plant. So what are that? Root and shoot. And here also see stem, leaves, flower, branches, buds, fruit. So these are basic parts. Okay. So first we will study about root. This is root. Root are an important part of plant. Root grows under the ground. A plant can have several roots. Roots help to hold the plant in the soil. Root fix the plant in the soil. They absorb water, minerals and nutrients from the soil and help them reach the other parts of the plant. Some roots even help in storing food for the plants. So root grows below the ground. Let's do one activity. You can also try this activity. Okay. So try to uproot a bunch of grass. You will find it difficult to do so. Do you know why? Because the root fixes plants to the soil. The roots of plant hold the soil together. This stops the soil from being washed away during heavy rains. Okay? So roots are of two types, taproot and fibrous roots. So first we will know about taproot. Now plants have one main root. See this? One main root growing from the end of the stem. From this main root, many smaller roots grow out. Can you see this? Smaller roots? So the main root is called taproot. See this main root? This is known as taproot. Plants like bean, mustard, sunflower, mango, etc. have taproot. So I have more example also. Now carrot, radish, beetroot. Okay, they have also one root with thinner roots. Thinner roots growing from it. So this is called the taproot. These roots grow deep into the soil. Most trees have the taproot. See here how it grows deep into the soil. So now we will talk about fibrous root. Now, see this root carefully. So plants like grasses, wheat, coconut. So these don't have a main root. They have a bunch of small root. Clearly you can see here they have a bunch of small roots. So these are called fibrous root. So children, now we will do one activity. So take a small rose plant and a grass plant. Both plant you take. Then what you do? Wash the soil from the roots. Take a beaker, in that you wash the soils from the roots and observe on comparing the roots. You will observe that you will observe that the rose plant has taproot. See carefully. Here also observed. See this, and here also. So rose plant has taproot, whereas grass plant has fibrous root. Okay. Now let's know the functions of root. It fixes the plant firmly in the soils. So root fixes firmly in the soil. It absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Some plants store food in their roots. We eat roots of such plants. For example, radish and carrot. Okay. Its help to bind the soil particles together. So these are the functions of root.